Habargani.
Umoja.
Them bullets was flying. Who said it was a lockdown? Goddamn lie. Oh my, time heals all, but you out of time now. Judge gotta watch us from the clock tower. Little tear gas cleared the whole place out. I'll be back with the hazmat for the next round.
Here. This picture right here. And that is me, my dad, my brother, and someone right there that looks like you. That's us at Six Flags together. And that's just
I got a pet. And this means unity to me because when I cook, we all come together, we eat together.
Picture of my 3 chaps who are here. You see them. And then they each brought something, so hopefully it's okay. So Lily,
Yeah, that's fine.
Could you tell her what it is?
It's a food. Well, we all can cook. It's like we have some food and we have like a fake knife and
Well, it's just plastic food, but I think her point is like you eat together. Okay, Thomas found an ornament. We decorated the tree together because we do both, so maybe that's something. And then what do you have?
I got an ornament because it's like we all get together.
Okay.
So I got a picture of the globe. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Picture of the globe. So I think that basically means unity to me because it doesn't matter where anyone is. We could either fly, drive, or even take a boat and still feel connected. Look at what we're doing now. I'm in America, you're in Africa, but we are connected right now.
I have this Happy Kwanzaa balloon, and I call that unity because we've been celebrating Kwanzaa. This is our 2nd year. Last year it was like, we weren't really sure what to do, but we was like, we just gonna get a kinara and the candles and we gonna celebrate. But this year we went all out, got a bunch of decorations and stuff displayed.
I'm sorry. Yes. So I got a phone, and the reason why I was going with the theme of staying connected. I have been away from my family for my whole adult life. I left when I was 18.
I pulled out my pink bundt can. So similar to everyone else, food kind of brings everyone together. But for me, I only pull out the pink bundt can on holidays. That's the only time I get as fancy. I do bake a lot.
Everybody calls me Richard here because that's my English name, but I'm from Malawi. I live in England, but I come from the Congo.
Hey!
So my great grandfather is from Congo originally.
Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so Umoja unity, we light the black candle first. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and light it. It is lit. Yay! I see you clapping. As we all gather here today, give thanks to our Creator and the universe as a whole. This year has been a trying one, yet we are here with the ability to celebrate each other with one another. We thank you for allowing each of us to add another year onto our lives and giving us the strength to push forward into a new one. We give thanks for the joyous moments we've experienced, but also the perseverance to continue on after moments of loss and tragedy. As we celebrate this day of Umoja, we ask to be given the opportunity to continue to make a positive impact in each other's lives. We pray for the hope that we may continue to celebrate with one another and develop meaningful bonds as we connect and reconnect with our brothers and sisters. We thank you once more for the blessings we have received and the ones we are yet to. We also thank you for giving us the ability to fight through battles and for fighting through battles for us, the ones we know about and the ones we don't.